Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zoom Workplace in 2026. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and sign in to your Zoom account. After signing in, you will see the Zoom Workplace home screen. To start a meeting, click the New Meeting button. When the meeting window opens, click Join with Computer Audio. At the bottom of the meeting window, you will find the main controls. Click Mute to turn off your microphone and click Unmute to turn it back on. Next, click Start Video to turn on your camera, and click Stop Video to turn it off whenever you need. To see the people in your meeting, click Participants. A panel will appear showing all participants in the meeting. You can also communicate by using the chat option. Click Chat, type a message, and press Enter to send it. If you want to present your screen, click Share Screen. Choose your desktop or a specific application window and then click Share. When you finish presenting, click Stop Share. You can also use reactions to send quick responses, such as a thumbs up or a clap during the meeting. When your meeting is finished, click the End button in the bottom right corner and choose End Meeting for All. These basic features will help you use Zoom Workplace for online meetings, classes, presentations, and team collaboration. That's it. You have now learned the basics of Zoom Workplace in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.